Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Easy English Official. English conversation practice for beginners. Two friends discuss about a trip at a coffee shop. Hi, Liam. It's been a long time. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm fine, too. I heard you are planning a trip.
Yes, that's right. I'm thinking about going on vacation next month.
That sounds exciting. Where do you want to go?
I'm not sure yet. I have a few places in mind.
Really? Which places?
I'm thinking about visiting the mountains, the beach, or maybe a famous city.
Wow. All of them sound wonderful. Which one do you like the most?
I love the mountains because I enjoy nature and fresh air.
That's nice. I prefer the beach because I love swimming and relaxing.
Beaches are beautiful too. We can enjoy the sunset there.
Yes, and we can eat fresh seafood.
That's a good idea.
Talking about budget. How much money do you want to spend?
I have saved about $600 for this trip.
That's a good budget.
Yes, but I still want to save money whenever possible.
We can book hotels early.
Yes, early booking usually gives better prices.
We can also travel by train instead of flying.
That's true. Train tickets are often cheaper.
We should compare prices before booking.
Good idea.
Choosing the destination. What places are on your list?
I want to visit Bali, Switzerland, or Japan someday.
Wow, those are amazing places.
Have you ever been to any of them?
No, but I've always wanted to visit Japan.
Why Japan?
I love Japanese culture, food, and technology.
Me too. I also want to see Mount Fuji.
And I want to see the cherry blossoms.
They look beautiful in spring.
Travel plans. How many days do you want to travel?
Maybe 5 or 6 days.
That's enough time to explore.
Yes. I don't want the trip to feel rushed.
Are you going alone?
No, I was hoping you would join me.
Really? I'd love to.
Great, it will be much more fun together.
I agree. Packing for the trip. What will you pack?
I'll take comfortable clothes, shoes, and a jacket.
Don't forget your passport.
Of course.
Also bring your phone charger.
Yes, and my camera.
Are you interested in photography?
Very much. I enjoy taking pictures of nature.
Then you'll take hundreds of photos.
Probably.
Transportation. How will we travel?
Maybe by airplane.
Flying is fast.
Yes, but train travel is relaxing.
That's true.
We can check both options.
We'll choose the cheaper one.
Agreed.
Food during the trip. I always enjoy trying local food.
Me too.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza, noodles, and grilled chicken.
I love sushi and seafood.
Maybe we'll discover new dishes.
That's one of the best parts of traveling.
Absolutely.
Activities. What activities do you want to do?
Hiking, sightseeing, and shopping.
I want to visit museums.
I like museums too.
We can also visit local markets.
That's a great way to buy souvenirs.
I'll buy gifts for my family.
Me too.
Weather. We should check the weather first.
Yes, if it rains, we'll need umbrellas.
And waterproof shoes.
Good thinking.
I hope it's sunny.
Me too.
Safety. We should keep our money safe.
Yes, and keep our phones charged.
We should also carry a map.
Or use GPS on our phones.
That's easier. Making memories.
I can't wait for this trip.
Me neither.
It will be our first trip together.
Yes, and we'll make wonderful memories.
We should take lots of photos.
And maybe make a travel vlog.
That's a fantastic idea.
We can share it with our friends.
They'll enjoy watching it.
Ending the conversation. So, when should we book everything?
Let's book our tickets this weekend.
Perfect. I'll compare hotels tonight.
I'll look for the best travel deals.
This is going to be an unforgettable trip.
I completely agree.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. I'm happy you're coming with me.
See you this weekend.
See you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.